There's a lot of boats here.
Yeah, and both from a lot of countries. You find English from different French, Russian, different countries. Sometimes you don't know the flag of the country.
Wow.
A lot of them are so expensive boats of people who are after getting retired, they come to live here in Tunisia. They're collecting a lot of money outside.
Yes.
They live here, they bring their cycle. Go, kids. It's a quite a place that you can live on it. Good choice. Shall we do a collection together?
Which one? Which one do you want?
Let me see.
Over there. At the back.
Yeah, that's one. We'll go next to it right now. This one is quite nice, but I have to see him from inside. With a little bit yellow color.
Yeah.
No, it's quite nice. Goya. You see, for example, this one from France. See the flag?
Yes. Yeah.
See the fish here? Aquarium, but not so much. You can feel them like moving.
I can see the water moving.
It's a good graffiti of fishes. This one is great.
You like that one?
This you can have it.
That one's too big.
No, but we'll have it like me, my family, and your family. So it will be enough. I have this. I have the up floor, and you have the mid.
What about this one?
With boat. Wow. We go to Lanzarote with it.
That's massive, isn't it?
This one, yeah, so much. I think this one that they make it in UK.
Mm-hmm.
But costs a lot of money.
Another French one
This one,
from Nice.
you can see. Oh yeah, in France.
There's one here from UK.
Romanian. Or you English? This one.
I don't know because
Oh yes. UK flag. But in the top maybe you can see like Romania too.
and then a very old one. Have you seen where it's from though?
70 years. Liverpool.
Yep. Gibraltar. And you're in some as well.
The video of the amphitheater of Al-Jam.
Yes.
Yes, it was the recording. We were together making this video.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you have a Facebook? Can you join the if you want to make subscribe in group of Facebook?
Well, we've got a YouTube channel, Sailing Lady Equitone.
Is that yours, is it?
Yeah.
Mate.
Got a few.
Hello.
Hello.
There's a YouTube hierarchy here. Timothy's travel.
Very nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. See you later.
Bye bye.
His dialect is Austrian.
Australian.
It's not like your dialect. Maybe he didn't understand when I told him about the group on Facebook.
Uh-huh.
You have a Facebook YouTube channel too?
Me?
Him.
I don't know. I'll.
Because it's you taking photograph to the boat, you know.
Oh, he has a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I said I'll find it. Which way?
Yeah, this one. The other one is closed, like, sure.
Okay.
Send it to me, please, when you found it.
Yep, I will.